Hi guys, welcome to the channel. So in today's video, we are going to be talking about these contact lenses from Solotica. If you guys are new to the channel, hi, my name is Ken. I basically do lifestyle beauty type videos. If you guys are new to my channel here on YouTube, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button down below if you guys haven't already. If you guys are watching this on IGTV and aren't following me yet on Instagram, I'd really appreciate it if you guys would hit the follow button. I was gonna say subscribe. Anyway, let's get into the video. Alright, so there you guys go. That's how my eyes look without the contact lenses and how they look on my eyes. So what do I think about these lenses? I absolutely love them. These are probably one of my favorite top 5 contact lenses in my collection. I just really love the color, how opaque it is, and I don't know, I feel like bluey green shades tend not to work on me the best, but I think this is just the right amount. Okay, in terms of how natural these contact lenses look, now, as you guys saw, my natural features are pretty much dark eyes, dark hair naturally, and I'm of Asian background, so you know, really this isn't probably a natural occurring eye color. I mean, like, I know some people do have these eye colors naturally, but you know what I'm saying. I wouldn't say they're the most natural looking, but I wouldn't say they look zombie-esque or ghostly. Now, you know how like some color contact lenses can look quite opaque, but they make you look dead, like dead looking in the eye. I feel with these contact lenses, I still can see my eyes and you can still see my gaze, if that makes sense. It's really hard to describe. If you guys have worn colored contact lenses or have seen people with those types of colored contact lenses, you know what I'm talking about. It's quite daunting sometimes. In terms of the color itself, how vibrant, how opaque it is, I have to say Hidrocor from Solotica is like the best range out there for that sort of thing. If you guys have very dark eyes and you're looking for complete coverage and you want it to look very bam in your face, these are definitely the lenses for you. And then also the pupil size, I do find that the Hidrocor range has a smaller pupil size. So if you guys are like me and you're very particular with how large the pupil size is, Hidrocor is the one to go for. The natural range, the pupil size is a little bit bigger, but it's not as big, let's say, as Desio or Fresh Look. Those ones tend to be quite large. In terms of comfort, now my eyes might look a little bit bloodshot. I've been wearing my clear contact lenses for at least 5 hours before filming this, so that's probably why. But I don't find that my eyes turn red or anything until maybe the 6th hour, and I feel like that's pretty normal for me. As I've gotten older, my eyes aren't as resilient, so they turn red after a few hours. These lenses are definitely on the thicker side, so if you guys are used to daily contact lenses or those fortnightly every 2 weeks kind of like contact lenses, they tend to be quite thin. Even the monthly ones tend to be quite thin. These ones last for a year, so they tend to be a little bit thicker. So if you're new to colored contact lenses like this, or contact lenses in general, you might have to wear it a couple of times before you get used to it. But overall, as a long time contact lens wearer, I think they're quite comfortable. Now, in terms of pricing, yes, Solotica lenses unfortunately aren't the cheapest out there. I'm lucky that I get to try them out because I collaborate with brands. And I like to share a little bit of that love with you guys by telling you guys that I do have an affiliate code. Of course, I do get some money from this, but it's sort of like a win-win situation. You're not paying more than you would normally if you got them from Vision Marketplace. That's where I got these lenses from. So it applies to any order, whether it be sunglasses, eyeglasses, contact lenses. As long as you use the code thepopheir, you basically get 10% off on any of your orders. I get a little bit of money. Again, you don't have to use it. You can just go to the website and then just order it by yourself. That's absolutely fine. But if you guys love me and would like to support me, I do appreciate it. I feel really awkward sometimes when I do talk about affiliate codes and links and stuff like that, but yeah, you get what I mean. Like, if you guys would like to help me out, highly appreciate it. Anyway, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up the video if you guys did, or heart if you guys are watching this on IGTV. Have to remember that. And yeah, let me know down in the comment box down below whether you guys have tried out Solotica, which is your favorite color, or if you haven't, what shade are you guys thinking of trying out? All right, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.